Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a black and white pictures on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the camera app. Then tap on the filter button at the top. Next, in the filters tab, swipe across. In here, swipe across and select a black and white picture. So here we've got classic, we've got shadows, and then if you scroll across here, you also have black and white or grayscale. So select a prefer one of the grayscale or black and white, and then tap on the shoot button, or tap on the shutter button right there. Here is another classic black and white picture, and that's it. So those are the black and white pictures that you can use. So by applying filters to your camera, you can take a black and white picture. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.